Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kamiq STY 1.0tsi 110HP 5 door in sleek grey. This hatchback is the epitome of comfort and luxury, with features like cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The stylish chrome package and privacy glass add a touch of sophistication. With a limited slip differential and stop-start system, this car is as efficient as it is safe. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.